What's up, guys? I wanted to do a quick shop update. We've got a bunch of really cool stuff coming up that I wanted to let you know about. I wanted to ask you a couple questions. First and foremost, what I'm really excited about is we've got t-shirts. So, wait, hold on. Let me, oh, oh wait, I've got another color. Check this out. Oh. Whoa, and check out these sleeves. They've got the dovetail jig on them. This actually took me a long time to draw. I'm not very good in Adobe Illustrator, so I had to draw it in Fusion, export it to a PDF, whole nightmare. But we got it done. We've been really busy in the shop. I've got a new guy working on videos with me named Mark, and I think you guys can attest the production quality has gone way up. My most recent video was the humidor video, which honestly is the video I'm most proud of to date. I think it just came out wonderfully. So go check it out if you haven't. It's a long video, it's about 32 minutes, but it is just packed full of tips, new things that I've learned, like veneering and doing ebony inlay. That was my favorite build I think I've ever done. So go check it out. I really, really enjoyed it. I think you'll like it. We also released a bunch of skill videos on how to be more accurate. Skill videos with the router. We did the ultimate router jig, which there are plans available on my website. And so, you know, we uploaded 8 videos in the last month, which is a big increase in production for me. And I think that you guys have really responded positively. There's a bunch of new subscribers, and I wanted to thank you guys so much for joining us here. But I also want to know what kind of content you guys want to see. Please, down in the comments, let me know what you guys like to see. Long form build videos or more of the skills videos, because I want to put out great videos for you guys, so let me know. Next week, I'm going to be in Atlanta for IWF. So if you're going to be there, let me know. I'd love to meet up with you. I was thinking about putting together something formally, depending on how many people are going to be there. Maybe we can have a beer, some chicken wings. I don't know, we'll do something fun, go ice skating. I'm really excited for IWF. It's one of the biggest woodworking conventions in the world, and I'm really excited to go around and check out new production processes for some of my products that I have coming out. I think that we can really do a lot of great things, and the more I learn as far as materials and production processes, the more great products I can put out for you guys. Speaking of products, a couple updates. One, Stop block slowly but surely is coming to fruition. I've picked out an extruder, and those are coming soon. I know some of you have been waiting for a little while, but we are in the home stretch. These things are incredible, guys. They're for pre-sale on my website, and I've never used anything like it. I think this is going to really be a competitive product in the marketplace, and I think it's because it's unbelievable. It's universal, goes from 2 to 4 inches. It can be used this way, it can be used this way. It has a micro adjust feature, so you can adjust the face without having to loosen your nuts, so you stay in the same place on your crosscut sled or your drill press. And I think it has no deflection at all. You know, a lot of those stop blocks you use, they deflect like a whole bunch, and that's what kind of made me angry and made me create this. Was the deflection was stupid for a $35 stop block. It was mind-numbing to me that I paid that much for something that doesn't work. So this has no deflection. It's incredible. So those are available for pre-sale on my site. They'll be there with the t-shirts, by the way. Another thing I'm working on is dovetail alignment boards. I recently got a CNC machine, the Axiom Pro 6, and I got that to engrave the stop blocks, but I was thinking about what else I could create with that, and dovetail alignment boards. I can CNC dovetail alignment boards, and basically we can flat pack them so they come flat. You put them together, they're impossible to screw up. They're perfectly aligned, so the fences are completely exact, because it's all computer cutout, computer modeled, so they're wonderful. Dovetail jigs still available and awesome. I've really had such an amazing response with the dovetail jig, so go check those out on the website. Anything you buy obviously supports the channel and helps us produce this content for you guys. For all the new folks, welcome, and for everybody who's been watching for a long time, thank you so much. I mean, honestly, your support, the positive comments, the positive constructive criticism, all of that is just so special, and you know, it's just a dream come true to be able to do this, and it really just humbles me to have your support. And so I just want to say thank you so much for being here. It's a dream come true to be able to make these videos for you guys, and I can't thank you enough. So go get a t-shirt. I'll see you in Atlanta. Upcoming videos, we're doing a router table fence. We're gonna build a modern style planter. I'm gonna do wood hinges, and anything else you guys want to see, put down in the comments. So thanks so much, guys. See you in Atlanta.